It's SJ and I'm going digging. This is where I'm gonna go right now. As you can see, here's zoom in. There's some buildings that used to be out here. Right here is an old egg ranch. It's on the side of a road. But this is all, I know back in that area I had gone detecting before, and there used to be an old, I want to say it was a cow milking farm over there. But I'm going to hit up some of this right here, and then I'm going to head over to the big park. But there's some old buildings out here, so I want to hit it. There's some stuff over here that's been pushed up out of the way. Old building material. I'm not going to dig through this. I might poke around in there, but there's a nice little path. So I'm going to go out in here and see what we can find. All right, so let's hit it. All right, well, I'm back. I start getting ready to get all geared up, get ready to get out to this spot, and I forgot my shovel. So I ran down to Walmart, which is closer, and picked up myself a Fisker's digger. It was closer than driving all the way home. It was $8, no big deal. But I'm gonna get out there, dang it, I'm running out of time. So let's hope for something good. I'm hoping to hit up another location after this, so let's give it a shot. All right, let's get out there. All right, we're coming out to the location where we're gonna go. Shut this off. This is an egg ranch. It's got some emus over there, some cows, an ostrich. Might take a little closer look, but this is where I'm interested in, over here. So let's do a little exploring before we start digging, see what we can find. I'm not quite sure. Oh, look over there. There's an old fireplace. We're heading over there first. Let's walk through here. I've never seen that before, not that I recall. Hold on, they want to talk to me. See what they have to say. Howdy.
Howdy. Treasure hunting?
Yeah, hopefully. Okay, let me come on over here, and I'm gonna get you on camera. I have a YouTube channel, so that's nice to get a little history. All right.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Sylvia.
So I'm Michael. So this used to be a dairy out here. So what you just walked through over here was the milking barn. Over there, where the cows lived, or the feed, when they're fed and everything. So the concrete there are the feed troughs, and of course the chimneys where the house was.
Okay.
So might be some stuff by the house. I think it burned down.
Yeah, I seen that. I was out here when I was a kid. I know that there used to be a building on the other side of that mountain, and of course now they have it tore down and everything over there. I've gone over there, but nothing really intense. There was a lot of wire and stuff over there, so it was kind of hard. But yeah, I've been.
Yeah, I was told by my boss's mom, who was out here back then. This was a dairy, so yeah, there should be a well right here, like I said.
Ooh, interesting.
Milking barn, house, where all the cows lived over here.
Very cool.
So there's that tree over there has a homeless camp under it.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know if anyone's living there right now. It's kind of cold.
Right.
Yeah, usually that's where they live. Sometimes they'll have little fires out there. So there's abandoned homeless camp at that tree on the far side of the field. Shopping cart and a bunch of stuff over there.
All right, well, I'm excited to get out here. Get out here. I'll let you know. I'll come over here and let you guys know.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's sjsmixedadventures.
I'll write that down.
Yeah, check it out. So, yeah, I was married to Bobby Christ. That used to live over here at the Christ place. Well, they're remodeling it now. Next to, there was Chris Construction and stuff right there. I was married to him, so we as kids used to come out here and go in the sand pits and go swimming and all kinds of crazy stuff out here. SJ's Mixed Adventures.
Mixed Adventures?
If you just punch in SJ's Mixed, then my name should pop up.
All right, I'll look that up later.
Yeah, all right.
All right.
It'll be on there. All right, thank you. What was your name again?
Michael.
Michael. All right, thanks, Michael, for the history. I appreciate it. All right, there you have it, guys. So we basically got permission. We got a little history behind it. That's fantastic. I'm excited. Let's get out there, let you know what I find. All right, let's go over here and take a look around. I'm guessing that no one's been out here exploring. Apparently there was a vodka drinker around here. Let's see what we can find. Let me get down a little bit. So you guys can see. There we go. Oh, big pieces of glass. I'm sure it was a dumping ground. Most of these places are. All right, let's take a look around. Go check out this building over here. I definitely wanted to come out here more than once. I don't think I'll be able to hit it all today, but I'm very excited about it. Some kind of old building right here. Like you said, it used to be a milking place. I remember being out here as a kid. Oh, I know there's all kinds of stuff out here. An old shoe. Should we head on over to the house? Let's head on over to that house right there. Go check it out. Kind of look along the way. Oh, there's something in the ground right there. Okay, old cable wire. Can't see it. Oh, I got my clod hoppers on so I can climb through anything. Old can. All right, that's where we're heading out over there. Well, let's head over there. Oh, all kinds of stuff out here. I'm gonna hit around the house first. It's the first place I want to go. So we're gonna head out towards over there. Let's see what we can find. I got my old AtPro. My heart's beating so fast. I'm so excited. All right, so let's hit it up and I'll let you know when I find something. All right, we got our first good signal. Getting up there in the 80s. It's right on the top. Whole bunch of stuff. We're gonna get down and dirty, guys. Let's find out what it is. The first dig's always the best. Get my new shovel out. My old new fiskars. Oh, I got a little. All right. That away. Oh. Oh, I need to put my. How great would it be to find silver, huh? I am turning this off, let you know what I find. Well, there it is. It's an old reflector. Samsonite. Alright, that's our first dig. Alright, not too bad. I'll take it. Alright, let's keep going. Let's check the hole. Oh, there's more in there. Alright, I'll let you know. Alright, here's my next dig. Kind of old car part. Old car. I guess I'm going to take that on out with me. I can see a bumper over there. So there might be a bunch of car parts right here. A lot of these old places used to have old cars laying around. This seems to be part of one of them. But let's go on to the next one. You got an old car part right there. Fender for something. Not quite sure what. Anybody knows, go ahead and leave it in the description below. An old pepper tree. Bunch of homeless camp around here, I guess. Oh, this might fit like in that. Oh, maybe not. Alright, let's keep going. Got toys. Toy truck in here. Old toy train. to chew. Another part of it, but I ain't gonna dig it out. Like at least to get something inside. Ooh! And there it is. Look. There's stuff inside, alright. It ain't coins. Eek. Alright, let's close that back up. Leave that right there. It's a lever right. Lever right there. Alright, let's keep going right around the corner here. There's the old chimney. We're gonna dig around this area and see what we can find. Alright, let's carry on. There's a surface find. It is a heavy sucker too. I ain't carrying that out with me. Like an old, maybe an old wheel or something. That's pretty cool. It's heavy. It is heavy. So I'm sure it's some part of machinery. And we're gonna leave her right there. Right there. But thanks for coming out and showing yourself. Alright, let's go in there. We got ourselves an old bicycle. Look at that. That's really cool. See it? Ouch. Old pedals. Still got one of the pedals still on there. It's just a little kid's bike. That means there is stuff out here. I would love to take this out and use it for some yard art, but I don't have no place to put it, but I know where it's at when I want it. Very cool. We're gonna leave her right there. A lot of stuff like that out here. There you go. Pretty cool. All right, there's that chimney right there. We're gonna go hit it up. Let's go. I'm gonna say that's a part of an old door. Sure would like to find that doorknob. Right down there in that hole. There's a lot of stuff out here. I'm really having to pick and choose where I dig. So hopefully I make the right choices and dig up the right things. All right, on to the next one. Here's a close-up view of the old chimney. There's a bunch of trash around here. I know when we were kids, used to come out here, so there it is. Nice old chimney. Wonder if there's anything hidden in it. An old Ham's beer can. Some old beer cans. Oh, there's another old part. Little pipe. That old pop top. You know there's old stuff out here. What kind of can that is? The old Ham's can. Same thing. Old Ham's. Been out here a while. Looks hopeful. Yep, see my detector's going crazy. Alright, let's get back out going. Alright, carry on. I'm taking a little smoke break, so I'll walk around a little bit. I don't know what that used to be. All kinds of old neat stuff. Dairy farm. Used to be an old dairy farm, so hoping to find some really cool stuff. There's some shingles. I'm just gonna walk around a bit without my detector weighing me down. See what we got out here. A bunch of old metal everywhere. Some old rocks, maybe a rock wall or rock house. It's the chimney there, so all kinds of neat stuff out here. Piles of dirt. A lot of the stuff seems to be on top. There's a bunch of troughs over there. He said where the cows used to be. I guess there's a homeless camp over there, so I'm gonna try to stay away from that. Bunch of junk over there. Said there's an old well out here. I'm gonna try to check out that well. Maybe I wish I would have brought my magnet. I'll bring my magnet the next time. See if we can find it while we're out here. Here's an old platform here. Bunch of old tiles, metal. More building material over there. I'll take a walk over there. unfortunately, with the homeless activity, there's going to be a lot of modern trash. But I'm still hopeful. It's just a bunch of scattered. Sorry for the wind. Feels good though. I forgot my water up at the car, so I'm gonna start getting parched here. There's a trail of, oh, I sunk. Probably some old cows buried out here too. I'm sure there's a bunch of old, finding a bunch of these around. Old jar tops, nothing whole yet. I'm sure there's an old bottle dump out here somewhere. But there's gonna be stuff like this buried on the ground. Alright. What do you guys think? Hey Robert, why is gold metal detecting? I think you need to come out here with me and do this whole area thoroughly. I don't have that much time. I only have till 4 o'clock, so. Oh, there's some old blue glass. I sure wish I could find a whole one. A whole mason jar out here would be awesome. I can't take trash out with me. There's just too much. Too much trash. But like you can see, there's some more metal pieces down there. You can see that right there. So, like I said, I gotta be real picky and choosy about what I dig up, because there's stuff everywhere. Oh, look there. Look at there. There's this find right there. Look at that. I found a marble. Ah, that's awesome. Look at that. That's a good thing right there. That's my first marble. That is my first marble. Oh, my pants. How awesome is that? Fabulous. That's awesome. Alright, I'm freaking... Right there on the top. Here's some old pottery. There on top. Bunch of surface stuff right here. I don't even need a detector, just out here explore. That was an awesome find, that marble. I'm excited about that. What else we can find? I got an old tree out here. But use some stuff around there. Kids used to sit out here and play, obviously. There's a marble right there. Alright, I'm excited. There's an old lid. That's part of some homeless camp over there. But it looks like it's been abandoned for a while. Alright, let's make our way back over to my detector. I'm gonna turn this back on if I find anything cool. Alright, found ourselves an old nozzle. All kinds of stuff like this laying on the surface. Let's keep going, finding stuff. Alright, well, I'm going to dig this one. This one's coming up high tones, up at 95s. It's 6 inches down, so I got to do some digging. But it's bringing up pretty high, and it's going to be worth digging. Look at that, 99. Let's go down and see what it is, and well, it's bringing up pretty high. All it is an old bullet. Oh. It's an old bullet. I don't know what caliber because I don't know guns, but that's it. Let's check the hole. That was it. That's what was ringing up high. All right then. Let's keep hunting it. Well, right here is lighting up this whole area. There's all this itchy weed out here. I'm trying to stay away from it. So I'm gonna see what's down there. Let you know what I find. Found an old piece of pottery. Pretty cool. This is obviously where there was a dump area right here. A bunch of bottles. I would love going sifting out here, but for right now, we're just looking around. A lot of these jars right here. All right, let's keep going. All right, I just found this. Let's see what it says. Pumpkin pomade. I don't know what that used to be. Some kind of lid for something. Maybe that was the name of the flourish pomade. If you guys know what that means, leave it down in the description. Looks like the top of an old milk lid. So that'll be interesting if that's the name of the ranch that was out here. Pomade. Alright, let's keep looking. That's a good find. Little surface find. Doesn't look that old though. Not that old. I'm gonna leave her right there. Let's keep digging. Alright, well, there's something big down here. I'm gonna dig it up together. Let's see what it is. What is that? What is that? Like an old wheel to something. How cool is that? Wow. Probably off an old wagon, I'm guessing. Looks like it used to have some spokes to it. There's still one left. Old wagon wheel. That's pretty cool. Right on. Alright, I'm going to go around this area some more. See what else I can find here. Sweet. I found something more. Oh. What is that? Old part of an old tire? Yep. Just an old tire. Alright, there's a lot of stuff like this out here. I have been doing some surface finds and been finding a lot of pottery. So, we'll be showing that off at the end. See if I can pull out a cool piece. I found some very old nuts and taking only a couple things out with me. But, alright, let's keep going. Alright, well, there's a lot of stuff like this out here. Oh, an ant. Looks like around the tail light or headlight. I'm going to leave it right here in this dirt patch. I've gone all through here and there's a lot of junk. Definitely will be coming back here. So let's keep going. I'm getting tired. You guys see what I see? Yeah, that's a light. See that right there? Look at that. That's another one. Another marble. Check that out. Fantastic. That's awesome, right on the surface. Cool. Alright, let's keep going. That makes me not want to quit. Next one. Alright, I got a surface find. What's that? What's that? That's an old bottle. Number 4. How cool is that? Oh, right there on the top. Alright, I'm going to look around this whole area right here. More finds like that. I want to come back. Definitely. Alright, let's on to the next one. There's an old 7-Up bottle. I just don't make them like that no more. We used to have insulators around them. Old lemon lime. Another bottle right next to it. Oh, it's an old mason jar. Whoa. All kinds of stuff out here. An old jar didn't have nothing on it. Let's say table products. Kansas City. Table products. Inc. Kansas City. Alright, very cool. Let's see what else is like right around here. I'm gonna keep on going. This looks like the lid, like I've been finding, the metal top. Let's keep going. Stuff all over the place. Here's a little spring thing. Not quite sure what that would go to. Got some little brackets on it. Anybody knows what that is? Leave it in the comments below. There's just stuff everywhere. Old blankets. I'm not even using my detector anymore. I'm just scouting out the area because there's a bunch of stuff just right on the top out here. So I'm just checking out stuff. There's metal everywhere. I want to get together a couple other metal detectorists and do this whole field, have a big collab. So if you're interested and you're in the San Diego area, hit me up, shoot me an email at sjsmixedadventures@gmail.com. I can get this thing uncovered, some history uncovered, some kind of concrete platform here. Oh, there's a golf ball. But there's all kinds of metal out here. I'm gonna go over here and check this out over here. Unfortunately, my car's so far away. Next time, backpack full of water. Probably just like a little outbuilding, I guess. My arms are tired, so I won't be doing any more metal detecting. But I will do surface watches. So I'm gonna hit up these trots right here, along here, and see what I can find. See ya when I find something. There we go, there's an old can. That's better than the cans I normally find. But yeah, there is definitely dig holes out here. Looks like somebody has been out here, but there's no way to hit all of it. No way. They probably kind of did what I did, but it's another leverette. Not taking that out with me. There's these cement troughs out here. I'm very, very, very parched. Another can. How much cans in there? Put that in with that. These are all watering troughs for the cows. So I'm sure there's money out here, all kinds of stuff out here. But like I said, a bunch of old farm equipment, pipes, wires. I want to head over to that well right there. The guy said there was a well. Bring my magnet down. Another old watering trough. Looks like there used to be some kind of fence line right here. Who knows what it was? Alright, I'm gonna head on over here to the well. Take you with me. My arm's even tired of carrying this detector around. I'm gonna go back and talk to that guy over there, show him what I found. Little hunks of metal. Dirt mat. Big old pipe. Foundation of something. I'm gonna work my way back to the car. I just can't do no more. I'm getting tired. But this must be the well over here. Then we'll go back over to that Heather house site over there. We'll bring my magnet. Let's see what this well looks like. Oh, doesn't look like nothing. I closed it all up. That's unfortunate. That used to be an old well. Still got some of the bolts and stuff in there. Alright, my car's way over there, so I'm gonna head back up there and see what we can find on the surface. There's just so much history out here. James Way. Old fender to something. Old truck. James Way truck. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up. It's just covered. Stuff everywhere. I was on my way back to my truck, just scouting out this area. These must be maybe the feeding troughs out here. Got a headache. Any big old pieces of metal. Hard to say what that was. Old barrel or something. This stuff hasn't been touched. I'm gonna go say hi to the emus over there. Pretty cool area. We will be back. I know, I'm sorry if this is a long video, but so much to see. So much out here. Like a little cactus somebody spread out here. I'm dragged an old cactus out here. Got pieces of it everywhere. Go up here and see what this is, then we'll go say hi to the emus. There's like barbed wire everywhere. Old, I don't know what this was. Alright, connected. Hard to say. Alright, let's go say hi to some emus. Go get ourselves a drink. Head on home. They want to say hi. They want to meet me as bad as I want to meet them. Hi there, little fella. Hi there. Hi. Oh, he's mad. I'm gonna take this off here and hold it closer. He's snapping at me. Trying to eat ya. Ugly little buzzard. Old egg ranch right here. Been here for a million years. Oh, he wants to kick me. Oh, another brother over there. Trying to eat it. Little ostrich is way on the other side. Anyways, it's SJ. Was pretty. It's SJ. See what we're digging into next. Till next time. Peace out. We're gonna hit this place up again. Say hi to our friends over here. Maybe go stop and get some fresh eggs over here next time. Anyways, alright you guys, happy hunting. Thanks for coming along. Until next time, this is SJ. Alright, time for the finds. First really cool thing I really dig is this old, looks like from like a kid's wagon. That's pretty cool. I got an old piece of jar I just pulled out, a couple pieces of old glass I just thought I'd pull out. It's pretty cool. There's a pink one. Found a couple bullets. Old lid, something. Just went to a car, sorry for the noise, I'm on the road. Old hose. Samsonite, is that what it says? No. We'll take a closer look at that. Where's that? Alright, it's an old reflector. Old lid. We'll have to be looking this up right here. Fragrant, looks like maybe pomegranate, I don't know. But the way the lid is. An old pottery. Pretty cool pottery. I don't know what this was, I just pulled it out. And then my cool find is a little old bottle. Pretty cool find. So that and the cool marbles that I found on the surface. Very, very cool. Great finds. So overall, here's my junk. That's my junk over there I pulled out. Shower head, my old cable thing, some junk. Really cool piece of brass. Anyways, my old AT pair outlasted me. These are my finds. I will be coming back to this location. It's pretty cool out here. Lots of stuff to be found out here. Alright, till next time you guys, happy hunting.